Welcome to HansCAD Academy. We almost completed the 3D modeling of all the parts, and today we will be doing the assembly of this extractor. And now moving ahead. So before moving ahead, previously we modeled this part, and we forgot the 6mm hole inside these. So let's basically draw that. We'll sketch it here, and let's take a look at the dimensions. Yep, the hole is 36 from the center and 15 from the bottom. So let's draw 6mm dia hole, and this will be 36 from here and 15 from here. Yep, that's 15. And now we will extrude cut it. That's it. Okay, so now we need to pattern it. So we'll delete this pattern that we did before. We'll now select all these and pattern it around the axis. That's it, and then I can save it. So guys, as this feature is completed, now we'll start our assembly. Click on the file and make assembly from the part. Okay. We will try to view the origin. So this is the origin. This is the origin of this file. So go right click, float this, and let's set this on the origin. Click here and here, and now you can set it to fix. Okay. Now insert all other parts. This center part, yes, and okay, let's make this thing. So actually, in actual terms, there will be a screw on this shaft, so we can add a screw here. We can go to the mates and then mechanical mates, screw this and this, right? Now it says revolution per millimeter, so how much we want? We want maximum 3 revolutions. Yeah, that's it. Now you can move it. So okay, 3 revolutions per minute. Okay, we can edit it also if we want to. So we can give it, okay, yeah, we can give it distance per revolution, so that will be 2mm, or maybe at least, let's say 5. Yeah, 5 will be fine. Look, so it is now. Okay, so we already got this assembly, right? Now we will insert the other parts. This shaft. Okay, this is the shaft. Insert it here. Now we will click on the mate command. Click on this surface. Click on this. So it's concentric mate. And now it can move. Yeah, we can move this assembly, but we need to fix this shaft, okay, on the center. So let's do that. Okay, top plane. Okay, so what we do basically, we can fix any distance with reference to this plane. So let's click on the mate command. Okay, because we want this lateral movement to stop, so let's give it some reference or constrain it. Okay, so the basic part is this one, that is the extractor true. Okay, so we'll look for its, yeah, this part. Okay, so yeah, I think we can yeah, we need to assemble the planes of this shaft and this one. So let's take a look at these. Yeah, we will click on mate, then right click on this plane and then mate. Okay, we can take reference of this surface also. Yeah, now what we do is basically we give a distance to it, so that can be 100, yeah, I guess 120, 110. So you can give it any distance. So now as we have settled this mate, you click OK. Now okay, so this shaft can move along its axis, so we can also restrict that. What we will do is, we can, okay, wait a second. Okay, so let's say this is the right plane, we will restrict this right plane, yeah, with the right, we'll make it parallel to this one. So when these both planes are parallel, so this shaft won't move on the axis. Okay, so that's it. Now we can easily move because we already have had a screw mechanism inside, right? Okay, now let's go and insert the other components. Okay, yeah, this extractor 5, okay, this one, this one. Okay, we will be inserting the rivets also. Okay, let's make these rivets. Okay, we know that this was a 6, so let's create another mate with these surfaces and give it a distance of 6 millimeter. Okay, so that's all good now. Now what we will be doing is we will mate this section with this. This will be a concentric mate. Now we will consider this surface on this surface, that is going to be a coincident surface, and that's it. Okay, all good. Now we will copy this. Now what you will be doing is, to copy this object, either you insert it again or you can do it on both ways. Okay, let's do this way. This is a simple method. So we will insert another part like this, insert it. Okay, now we will mate it on this side. Okay, and we know that this surface will be coincident with this one. Okay, but now we can see that the mate is wrong, right? So what we do is the first mate we did, yeah, this one we can, or either we can do this one, we can edit this, we can change the alignment. Okay, but we don't need this coincident. Okay, so we will be doing it sorry, from this other surface, actually this one, that's it. Okay, we can do another type of mate here. We can, sorry, yeah, okay, it's all good now. So this is how it will go. Now we're going to insert the smaller rivet. Click mate, click this surface, click this surface, inside surface. Now again click this surface, this surface. These are all going to be concentric, and then the final one, click this surface and this surface. So click OK. Meanwhile, if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. We can turn off this origin stuff. Okay, so this is how the linkage is set now. Okay, so far we are going good. Now the final thing that we need is to insert the extractor jaw, or what we call it. Yep, this is thing. So click now. When we click, see the okay, I just wanted to see the alignment. Okay, now we'll get the mate command. Click here and now here. Okay, we can change this alignment like this, right? Click OK. Now you click on this surface. Click on the, sorry, not this surface. Click on this surface and then this surface. These will be coincident, and that's it. Okay, now we got the assembly in almost in final stages. Okay, so from the side view we can see it like this. Okay, and okay, like this. So this is how it will look. Now we need to add all of these things to every point, 3 points. So we don't need to basically replicate, copy it. So we can pattern these things. We'll go to circular pattern, click this one, okay, click this one and click this one and this one, that's right, and around, sorry, click on this, that's it. Now we know we need 3, click OK, that's it. So this is how it will work. So this is the assembly of this file. So guys, I hope you like this assembly. If you have any questions, you can ask me. And now the final stage will be adding the motion and adding the colors, adding some texture to this to make it look appealing. If you have SolidWorks real view graphics, you can turn them on and turn the shadows on, turn the perspective mode on. So this is how it will look. Will look somehow realistic. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this tutorial, and if you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section below. Peace out.